إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
You know, in Somalia and places like this, Allahu Akbar, you will see people who are 20, 25 years of age, but they literally weigh 3 stones to 4 stones because they have nothing. Balki their bodies have forgotten how to digest food because for days on end they receive nothing. In places like Afghanistan, you will see people who will literally take their children and they will sell them for 10 pounds to 20 pounds. Why? Because the father cannot provide for his children. So what he will say is, come as come. At least if I sell them to somebody, at least my own flesh and blood will not die before my eyes and they will not die as a result of starvation. How do you think Rasulullah ﷺ would feel if he was amongst us today? And these helpless Muslims will ask for help. And when they see that their brothers are not responding to their cries, for the sake of a morsel, they will sell their iman. How do you think Rasulullah would feel? Knowing that the situation of some of our brothers today is such that Allah has blessed them in Qatar, in UAE, in Saudi, in Bahrain, in Dubai. Allah has blessed them so much that they could feed the entire world 10 times over and probably still get change. When our condition is such that when we wake up for breakfast, we have such a choice that if it is to be cereals, we have 10 cereals to our disposal. If we choose to have biscuits, we have 10, 20 different choices before our disposal. If we choose to have bread, we have 10 to 20 spreads before our disposal. How do you think Rasulullah ﷺ would feel? And what face will you and I be able to show on the day of judgment? That while this is our condition and this is the life that we live, our brothers are dying for the sake of a morsel or selling their iman. My friends, if we are not going to wake up now, and if we do not show the same regard to our Palestinian, to our Somalian, to our Chechenian, to our Kashmiri mother and sister and brother that we have, for our own mothers, for our own brothers and for our own sisters, when are we going to show that regard? Today is so possible that the calamities are falling upon the Kashmiris or the Somalis or the Sudanis or the Palestinians or the Iraqis. But tomorrow, my friend, it could be your mother, it could be your brother, and it could be your sister. This brotherhood was a blessing of Allah, and it was the right of this brotherhood that we share these blessings that Allah has given us with our Muslim brothers and with our Muslim sisters.